Take a ride in the 2017 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.